Hello everybody to the fifth lesson of HTML5 Deep Understanding course. Today we have nested tags lesson, which we will learn what are the nested tags and how to nest the tags that we have in HTML. Let's go to the code and see what do we have. First of all, we should know what do we mean with nested. Nested means one tag inside of others. So in this lesson we will know how to combine, how to make one tag inside another tags to help us work great. For example, I will create here a paragraph, and inside the paragraph I will read a headline or a header. First of all, I will create the paragraph. I will write hello to your course. Okay, hello to your course, and I will say I will name the course HTML5 deep understanding. Okay, but I need to add this HTML5 deep understanding in header, so I write h2 closing tag and go to the end of that word that I need. So look, he will print hello to your course HTML5 deep understanding, and I will write here lesson 5. Let's save that file and see in the browser what we have. I will go to the place that I have saved that file. Okay, and I will run that file. What do we have? We'll have hello to your course HTML5 deep understanding lesson 5. So how does that work? HTML works step by step. So he goes firstly to paragraph, so he will print paragraph hello to your course with a paragraph tag. The next tag he read h2 header, so he will print this tag h2 until we have a closing tag. Then he will write the rest, which is paragraph. He will write lesson 5. So this is what we mean with listed. For example, I need here to write a break line. I will write here br, and this will print a break line between HTML5 deep and understanding. Let's save it and refresh the website and see. So look, hello to your course HTML5 deep, and there is a break line. When you see in code there is no break line. If you remove this, he will print, or the browser will print only in one line. If I need to add, for example, a horizontal line like that, refresh, there is a horizontal line between the first hello to your course HTML5 deep and the other one, which is understanding and lesson 5. So this is what do we mean with nested tags. We could nest as much as we want. For example, here the body, insert inside the body we have the paragraph, which is p tag, and inside the p tag we have h2 tag. Inside the h2 tag we have hr. So it goes like body, then p, which is paragraph, then h2, which is the header, then the hr, which is the horizontal line. We could add as much as we need. For example, we could add table, and inside the table we have some lists. Inside the list we have paragraphs or headers and so on. I hope that the lesson for today is so clear, and see you with the next lessons. Bye for now.